how to clear YouTube search history on your Android device. If you don't want other people looking through your YouTube search history, or maybe you just want different video recommendations, then clearing your YouTube search history will definitely help with this. Okay, straight into it. So first you need to start up the YouTube app. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen to open the main menu. Tap Settings, and then tap History and Privacy. Lastly, tap Clear Search History to clear all items in your YouTube search history. As you can see there, it says your YouTube search history will be cleared from all YouTube apps on all devices. Your video recommendations will be reset, but may still be influenced by activity on other Google products. If you're happy with that, go ahead and tap on Clear Search History. And that's all it takes to clear your YouTube search history on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.